Hey, what's up, guys? So we're back.
Got Gene here. Got him off the couch on a Sunday to come tow the panel wagon. Here goes Gene into tow mode. Hey, what's up, guys? Got a new project that we're going to start on today in the shop.
What's up, guys? Today we've got a really special project we're going to work on. I'll tell you guys a little backstory about what we're doing here. This is going to be cool. This is going to be way cool. We want to play with the mini truck. We're going to see if she'll turn over. See if she'll start. I hope it does. You want me to start it?
No.
You want me to start it?
No. No, not with my head under here.
It'd be funny though, wouldn't it?
It'd be cool.
Wait,
For a second.
Okay, well, let's see what she does. Straight headers. This should be good. You're nervous?
Ready?
Why?
What do you mean why?
These guys are nervous, man.
It's pulling.
Whoa, 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 stop. Little fuel line.
Really? Yeah, pop up.
All over the shop wall. Woo! Yeah, you got a mess. That fuel line wasn't on all the way. Fixed fuel line.
Hold it down. Open your choke.
I mean, it's a gamble, but we're gonna give it a shot. So let's start doing some welding and try it. Here, he's gonna fire it up. He's gonna bump it.
Open the choke. Okay, hold it down a little.
Papa, get in there, start it.
Sure you ready for this, buddy?
Yeah, we're waiting on you, bud.
Okay. I'm sure you're ready.
Mm-hmm, I'm ready.
Are you ready? Well, what do you think, Dax?
It's nice.
Well, another satisfied customer. I'm happy. Dad's happy. He's happy, and hope you guys enjoyed that one. Those old ones are fun. Yeah, let us know what you think in the comments of these old trucks that we're doing, because I'm sure enjoying it. Thanks for watching.